So we are at Mr. DIY. This is at Naguilian. Let's go see what we have here. We came here for our son because it's one of his favorite store. This is my wife. In front is my son. Where he is, he's fast. John is there.
Johnny, don't go fast.
His favorite part
Here.
is the toy part. That's why we are here for. So let's see.
Wow! Wow! That is so
Let me tell me. What is that one?
That's how much is the cool.
Oh my.
Yeah? You think it's a good one?
Wow, did you put? Wow!
Hey, you put it back.
Wow!
What else we have here, John?
Oh,
There's many toys here. He don't know where to put his eyes. All the little cars.
wow! Where's the next?
We already have many.
No more. No. Where will go?
Yeah,
Where will go tonight? Where will go is road.
this could be a good one.
Wow, with waste.
Mm-hmm.
Yours too.
We'll try to find some a bit bigger, maybe so he could play in the sand outside also.
John. It's okay.
Okay, that's it. Bye bye.